Hello guys, we all know Grow a Garden, which is it is famous right now on YouTube. It is going viral. I don't know if I see it a lot, but Grow a Garden is insane. Look, I got something special for y'all, to my subscribers. Damn, this is my dragon fruit is big. It's bigger. It's bigger than the dragon fruit. It's bigger than a dragon fruit tree. And the update is insane. There's eggs now. Look here. Where's oh hey. My dear is cute, but it scares me. Let's check what. Bro, stop running. Oh, it is for you. Oh no, we need to eat. We're gonna feed our. I'm going to take this. Okay. Dragon fruit isn't that big in real life, but my cactus is growing now. Oh, wow. What is trying to do? Ooh! Let's drink. Ooh. Let's go. Let's see what is. How much is this worth? 94,000. Stack no more. I can't. Wow. You good boy. Shield. Oh, thanks. I didn't know that guy, but it keeps sending me gifts. It's a gift. Now let's go back. What's this? So, Grow a Garden is now my favorite because it keeps. Oh, let me press. It keeps getting bigger fruits. I can say English properly. And look, this only appeared once in the what is it again? In the shop. This mango. And where is this? The cup is it? Or is it only where? We can. May lagging. Oh, no. If it's not. Oh, why did I get a bamboo? That was one of my decorations. Oh, let's go. What is it? Oh. I can't. Wait, I can. Oh, why am I grounding? I need to sell that big dragon fruit. Like, bro. Go to this guy. Please get some. What is it again? The grape. No, I need grape or baby pepper again or mushroom. Bro. I am clearly broke right now. Look at my money here. It's 1 million. Wait, yo, this is big. This is very very big. Yo, wait, I wanna do a glitch. That's not right. What? How much is this worth, dude? Wow, what? 100,000? Wow, wait. Oh, he got some good thing. guess you some pretty good. And they had some cactus fishes. I have two. The fish is mythical, but it is giving me on 200 plus, bro. Whoa, this is bigger. It's bigger than my avatar, bro. This is like 100 times bigger than me. Could I collect them now? Oh, wait. Oh, bro, this is cute. I can't stop. So I wanna tell you is how I get started. Oh, so I wanna tell you of how did. Oh, what the? Am I good? Wait, guys. I think I am. Wait, what? No, I didn't see that. Wait, just get that thing. Bro, I can I get that? Bro, this is big. Oh, maybe not. How much is... Bro, I'm not giving that to you. How much is this one, dude? Give it though. Bro, dragon fruit is best. Let me get that. Let's go. Now let's sell inventory. I want to get money. If there's spawns like grape, bro, I'm freaking out. And I am also getting gears up for the letters gears up. Oh, gears up, dude. Oh, advanced printer. I might need that. I need to make. Okay, that will make my cactus bigger. And also, I want it to get. Teo live? Where's she? No, he lived. My paper is insane. I got this. Like, this is 1 million and it gives me. What is it again? It gives me 7,000, bro. I saved you from that seed shop, and you will just give me 7,000 per. Wow, dude. Mango tree is also one of the best seeds in the game, but I'm a why am I even? But the thing that I want more is the candy blossom. I am late in the Easter, bro. I'm very late. So, bro. So all I want to say is that am I even going to wait for New Year and get April so I can just get a candy blossom again? Seed, please get the grape seed. Really, bro, there's no other. Bro, I don't need bamboo. Sorry, I just talked to my sister. So, this is me. Bro, why am I about? Oh, hi guys. This is freaking insane, dude. I need to farm from a strawberry. I also need some. My peach is elite. Starting there. I don't know what this is. I want to sell everyone, but I just find out when what is it again? When I get all my fruits here because there's some grapes spawning and I don't have enough money for that. Like, bro, I just found out that there is what is it? Oh, I thought that was Ego. There is also some space for my backpack. Dude. Like, I should have get all of my fruits for that. What am I even doing here? Just showing. But I'm lagging again. Grow bigger. I need a corn that is 3 kg. Dude. The Hungry Plant quest. I am friends with him, dude. It just found. Be friends here before. Wait, what is your word? Mine. Die. Oh! He says goodbye, so his Hungry Plant is really mad. Bro, I need. Please, bro. It is still 56. What's the other? 90%? Cactus is a really... Bro, this is a really cactus. Look at that, that's a small cactus. This is a small cactus. I am not getting hurt. It is just floating, I'm not... And look at my big cactus and big dragon fruit. I think I need to sell them. I'm out of money, dude. I'm sorry, dragon fruit. Let's go, guys. We'll sell them. I want to sell my inventory. How much? How much are they? 1972, not bad. So guys, this is the end for my video. I will talk about a new grow up garden video about 2 days because I mean not 2 days. I'm just lazy. I'm very lazy. So let's go. Bye. Oh, bye.